Warren Buffett says that risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Let's put the first brick in your investment wall of knowledge and see why and how you should start investing. When you start investing, you put your money to work for you, making them your employees, and they will help you generate income. Investing can help you achieve your financial goals. And this is the first step in your investment journey. Set your financial goals. You may want to build wealth for a stress-free retirement, get debt-free, save for your child's education, or just grow your wealth. Investing will get you there faster than just saving in a bank account. The second step would be to learn about the different types of investments. You can choose from a variety of investments types: stocks, crypto, bonds, real estate, and many others. Read and inform yourself about the pros and cons of each one of them. The third step will be to discover your risk tolerance. This step will help you choose the right investment types to follow. The most common way is to take a risk tolerance questionnaire. If you have an appetite for risk, you may invest in crypto. However, if you are more of a conservative person, you may choose Dividend Kings stocks. Having all the before steps figured out, you should now develop an investment plan. This plan should contain investment types, amounts to be invested in each one, and when you make your investments. Next thing you have to do is to find where can you invest. For example, real estate is an investment that is not available online. You can make your research online, but you have to see the property you will buy. On the other hand, for stocks and crypto, there are online brokers where you can invest. For stocks, for example, 3 of the best brokers are Interactive Brokers, Fidelity, E-Trade. While in the crypto space, some popular brokers are Binance, Crypto.com, and Coinbase. The last step is to monitor your investments. Track the performance of your assets and make sure that you respect your investment plan. Stay informed. Analyze the risks. Have patience. Keep these steps in mind and you will have a smooth start in investing world. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video for more financial information. Until then, invest smart. Live breezy.